morning to everyone, to the Dagupan City National High School, senior high school students, especially to those taking up accountancy, business, and management strand. Of course, a special mention to my students, ABM efficient, ABM resourceful, and ABM productive. So I'm Miss Pina and I am your teacher for Principles of Marketing. You can get in touch with me in Facebook with my username Guru Pina for further clarifications or questions regarding the topic. Now, let us study. The topic for week 2 of quarter 1 would be traditional versus contemporary approaches to marketing. What are the objectives for this module? First, to assist the learners to be able to describe the traditional approaches to marketing. Second, identify and explain contemporary marketing approaches. So let us now go to traditional approaches to marketing. What can you see in the picture? You can see a man using a machine to produce a product. So the first approach or traditional approach to marketing is production concept. Here, the consumers will prepare products that are widely available and are at low cost. So companies would focus on high production efficiency and wide distribution. Here, there's not much consideration regarding whether the product is the one wanted or needed by the consumers. They are more into mass production. This is the marketing approach used by General Motors when they have produced vehicles in mass scale. Okay. So second traditional approach is product concept. In this concept, they assume that consumers will prefer or patronize products that are of high quality. You will notice that many are obsessed of Apple products and they always come up with different innovations. They make their products superior, making them people to crave and have to look forward for every new model that they come up with the market. The problem with product concept, however, is that when they're focused so much with innovating and improving on their product, they forget that perhaps this is not necessarily what the consumers wanted. We have the third concept or approach in traditional marketing. Selling concept. What is the selling concept all about? You're enjoying yourself at the mall with your friends, then suddenly an agent approach you with flyers and asking you to check out their store or perhaps for you to check out their demonstration. This is an example of selling concept. There's a hard selling. They believe in this concept that people has to be persuaded in order to buy products and that they are not making decisions. In this concept, companies focus so much on selling products that they manufacture and not what the consumers wanted. So these are 3 traditional approaches to marketing: the production concept, product concept, and the selling concept. Now let's go to the contemporary approaches to marketing. The first one is marketing approach. What is marketing approach about or marketing concept? It will consider the needs of both the customer and the product offered. The objective is to provide a solution to the customer's actual or perceived problem. The key is to be more effective in the creation, communication, and delivery of this value to customers. So majority of the companies nowadays would be using or are implementing marketing concept. They try to give what the customers need. They get in contact with their customers. They get feedback from their customers. Now let's go to the second contemporary approach to marketing. You would have your favorite Avon lady asking you, "Ma'am, is there a need for you to buy your new shade of lipstick? Or perhaps your lotion has need to be refilled." or the delivery boy for your water would ask, "Ma'am, magpaparefill na po ba kayo?" So these are example of relationship marketing as shown or as evident with the actions of the company or the store where they try to build and maintain meaningful long-term relationship with customers. How do they do that? Of course, they maintain database, they are in constant communication with you, they keep your information, when did you buy the product, how did you use the product, where did you obtain the product. These are very, very important for them to keep you loyal and patronize their products. Last but not the least is a societal marketing concept. What is the societal marketing concept? Companies now does not only exist with producing products that can give them profits or products that can give or satisfy the consumers. Now they should go beyond that, providing products that are not only answering the needs of the consumers, protecting the interests of the consumers, but also giving priority as well to the interests or benefits of the society. We have a very perfect example in the Philippines, the gandang kalikasan or human heart nature. If you are familiar of this social enterprise economy or company, then of course you heard of their slogan, which is pro-Philippines, pro-Filipino, and pro-environment. They obtain majority or 95% of their raw materials from Philippine farmers, while they provide products that are safe, organic, and at the same time, they give back to the community by establishing or supporting Gawad Kalinga, where the spirit of volunteerism and houses are built for those who were displaced in their residence. Other companies now as well does not only sell products that are going to answer the needs of the consumers. They consider environmental protection, social integrity, and others. Let us see, for example, there is an increasing number of companies offering products that are fast food yet healthy, made from natural products, organically grown, and packed in sustainable packaging. So that's the end of our lecture. Let us see how we would be, what will be the next topic for week 3 of Principles of Marketing. I hope you be safe and sound and happy to learn in Principles of Marketing. Sayonara. Adios. Saranghae.